Hello everybody. In this quick video, I'll talk about borders and shading. Where is the button? Well, you'll see a small drop down called borders, and within borders you'll find borders and shading. So I'll talk about this in a very basic sense in this example. Let's say I want to put an underline beneath NPA. I press enter, I press shift and press the underscore key. Halfway through, I just leave it and I press enter. An automatic border line gets generated. I can remove the unnecessary spaces. Now let's say amongst the many pages of document that you're preparing, one of the paragraph I want to highlight in this manner. So I choose this text. I go to this border within which I choose outside border. Although you can hover and see the effects of the various other option, but as of now I go after outside border. Now this is not all, because I'm going to go back to the drop down of borders again, go to borders and shading. Once I click on it, there are three tabs that I see: borders, page border, shading. I go to shading and I choose one of the fill color, let's say light gray, and I press OK. So you notice you get the same effect as you saw for the next paragraph. Now this is not the same as table. How do I know? Because if I insert a basic table like this, immediately I'll get table tools. However, when I choose this paragraph, there is no table tools, which means this is just the outside border. I'll talk about more combinations in the next video. Till then, you please practice this at least once.